The morning traffic surrounds you. Horns blare as you stop at a red light. Are you feeling the day's pressure already? A message pops upon your phone demanding attention. At this traffic signal, you notice something. The countdown timer is broken. Just when you could use a little guidance on when to move, it's absent. You're stuck now, the tension builds. As the yellow light appears, your foot hovers over this opportunity, but you hesitate, unsure whether to pause or not. Yet in a rush, you hit the gas, ignoring the yellow light. Another car is forced to avoid you, but your car collides. When did you last ignore your inner yellow light? When life's pressure drowns out your ability to judge wisely, thoughtful choices quickly turn into mere reactions. The yellow light symbolizes those moments where a brief pause for reflection could have made a big difference, and the broken timer reminds us of how we often lack the internal tools to navigate through life's big moments. Reflect on 3 recent times in your life. The pressure made you rush through an important decision. What had to do? What opportunity was lost in that haste? Imagine if that traffic light had a working timer, a clear signal showing exactly when to stop and go. With that visual guidance, you might feel more in control. But life really gives us that clear clarity. Outside of traffic lights, we must create and rely on our own internal timers. Because even when we recognize those yellow light moments, हम सब struggle करते हैं to make the most of those pauses. Simply knowing you should take a breath isn't always enough. What should we really focus on during these critical decision points? This internal timer should be aligned with our deepest values and beliefs, helping us turn hesitations into intentional reflections. Developing this internal timer means practicing what Dr. Viktor Frankl called logotherapy. The psychiatrist who survived the horrors of Nazi concentration camps despite losing his family, health, and facing constant threats, he made a profound discovery that even in the darkest times, those who hold on to a sense of meaning are more likely to survive. Our greatest drive as humans isn't for pleasure or power, but for a sense that our lives matter in some way. Logotherapy gives us that ultimate internal timer, guiding us to pause and uncover meaning in every situation. Let's understand that a little better. The fertile soil of this tree represents dharma, our path to fulfillment, embodying the universal truths that help us find meaning in every role we play. Simply put, dharma is our personal duty, what aligns with our nature and serves the greater good. From the soil grows the entangling roots, representing our freedom to choose our attitude despite external circumstances. They say that the meaning of life isn't a destination we reach. It's a journey shaped by the conscious choices we make each day. These roots describe Frankl's deep insight that between every trigger and reaction lies a space for a free will. In this space, we're not bound by outside pressure or old habits. So ask yourself now, अगर आपके पास 1 साल बचा हो, आज आप अपनी लाइफ में क्या चीज बंद करोगे? This strong trunk symbolizes that life holds meaning in every situation, even in suffering. It weaves together all experiences, joyful and painful, into a cohesive and meaningful whole, transforming challenges into growth opportunities. A career setback might help you realign with your true self. A health diagnosis can prioritize what truly matters, and a loss of a relationship can deepen your capacity for connection. Through this active transformation of suffering, you can find a purpose. It says everything that happens, good or bad, it doesn't happen to you, but for you. Our tree extends upward with its branches, symbolizing our active pursuit of purpose. These branches present us with 3 distinct paths. Creative values, discovering meaning through what you can contribute to the world, through your work, art, or just through helping others. Attitudinal values, gaining meaning from how you handle suffering, whether it's by facing unavoidable pain with grace or just by channeling it through personal growth. Experiential values finding meaning from what the world offers you, forming deep connections, experiencing love, or just admiring at the beauty around you. This is logotherapy in practice, not just a therapy, but a way of life. Use this as your guide now. Picture yourself as the CEO of Neek Incorporated. तो अपनी इस लाइफ कंपनी के लिए क्या पॉलिसी बनाओगे आप? Now, beyond personal growth, your internal dharma can also expand through your impact with seva. By consistently practicing this internal dharma, you find not only living more meaningfully, but also helping others on this path as well. When a close friend will need it, you will help them develop their own internal dharma. Think of the face of the poorest person you've seen. Will your next actions support them? The essence of life can be found in this pause. Your greatest power, the power to connect your dharma with your karma, where choice becomes purpose, purpose becomes action, and action can become service. Now with your internal dharma developed, you will approach life's intersections differently. When external timers let you down, you will await the next green light with mindfulness and presence. Hope you have a peaceful and safe trip today.